I was playing Vijay Hazare Trophy in Delhi, and I didn't know that what is going on here. And day before, I got a call from selector that he said you might have to go to the Dubai and be ready. So it was a very, very good news. Like, I was very happy after I got a call from selector, and I was very happy. एक्चुअली मैं यही सोच रहा था कि टेस्ट क्रिकेट में खेल रहा था, तो मेरा यही था कि उसमें मुझे जब भी मौका मिला, क्योंकि लास्ट में 2-3 सीरीज़ अवे थी तो उसमें मैं खेला नहीं था, तो मैं वही अपने आप को मोटिवेट कर रहा था कि जब भी मुझे चांस मिलेगा, मेरे हाथ में वही है कि परफॉर्म करना, मेरे कंट्रोल में जो है वो मैं उसके बारे में ज़्यादा सोच रहा था कि मैं क्या चीज़ कर सकता हूँ, मैं अपनी गेम कैसे इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकता हूँ और अवे कंडीशंस में मैं कैसे अपना गेम और इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ.
This is absolutely sensational from Ravindra Jadeja. This is one up. Again, it might just fall away there. Jadeja, the man, runs back, makes some difficult games look easy. If there's one man at this ground who wanted underneath that ball, on either side, it was Ravi Jadeja.
नहीं, मतलब मैं मुझे किसी को प्रूव नहीं करना है, मुझे प्रूव अपने आप को करना है, क्योंकि मुझे मेरा जो एबिलिटी है, मेरा जो क्रिकेट स्किल्स है, वो मुझे शार्प करनी है. मुझे किसी को दिखाना नहीं है कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मैं वो कर सकता हूँ. मुझे सिर्फ अपने आप से चैलेंज करना है कि मैं कितना और अच्छा कर सकता हूँ इंडिया के लिए और कितना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे सकता हूँ.
And gone. The best move made by Henry Nicholls and the
Bowled him! Ravindra Jadeja with the wicket of Henry Nicholls.
and out. That is crucial. Kane Williamson done by There's a fifth to nothing. Oh, direct hit.
Thank you, I have made my decision.
An outstanding. Oh yes, that is the start New Zealand were looking for. It is the big fetch as well. Oh, that's close, very close indeed. Gone. Yeah, looked good. And another one. New Zealand all over India here.
That'll be the first boundary. Super shot. He's a good player, young Rishabh Pant.
Oh, he caught it! That's off the chart. Oh, he's got a wicket. Accuracy, patience.
goes well again. 6 more. He is on fire. Straight up, straight up. Williamson again. Biggest moment. Got it, got it. Now they've got to push for 2. Who's going to cover the keeper's stumps? They're going to go. Going to get him. Directed. Oh, directed.
Thanks, Kevin. I've made my decision.
He tries, he can't do it. There's a little touches there. It is, it's over. It's over. Latham takes the catch.
I started believing in myself like a few years ago, like 2017, 18. I started believing in myself that I need to, survive at this level. I can, survive and I can score runs at this level. So that mindset helped me a lot. So yeah, now whenever I go for batting, I look to, play long. I try and give myself, and I think as if I can, score big runs.